I'm Travis Scott. This is my McDonald's order. Follow me. Here's my quarter pounder with lettuce, pickles, onions, ketchup, mustard, and bacon. Here's my fries. Sometimes I do this. Then I dip them into barbecue sauce. Oh yeah, and my Sprite. Same order since back in Houston, and you can try it too. Gotta go.
Hey man, it's your boy Chris Lee, aka CEasy. Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to the lifestyle. Let me go ahead and fix this, and welcome back to another video. So as you guys can tell by the title, Travis Scott went ahead and dropped a second drop. And for all of you guys who are thinking about reselling or just trying to get some pieces, make sure you go ahead and watch my first video, because I literally broke down how or the things that need to happen for this to be a good resale opportunity, and it is a good resale opportunity. So look, I'm gonna go ahead and just break this down. In this video, we're gonna be taking a look at all the pieces. I already looked at a majority of them, and this collection isn't as heat as the first one. However, there are still a few gems or a few pieces that I feel like will go for a lot for resale. And we're not only gonna take a look at all of these pieces, we're gonna take a look at the pieces that I went ahead and caught from the first drop, and we're gonna see like what the resale is looking like on Grail / StockX, just to see, you know, if I made the right decision with the pieces I decided to go for. So without further ado, I'm gonna need you guys to smash up that like button. Let's go ahead and get 100 likes on this video. You guys have literally been smashing the Travis video, so of course I'm gonna keep it rolling. Also have a Rose and Good Faith video that will be dropping sometime in the near future, so just make sure that y'all do that. And if you're new to the channel, make sure you subscribe. But anyways, let's get it. Alright, you guys, so right now we got the laptop. We're just gonna go ahead and get started. You guys see the screen right about now. If you guys already know, I went ahead and I posted the 3 pieces that I ordered or I purchased on the Easy Resale page. Just kind of give you guys a sneak peek of what's to come. So again, if you're trying to get streetwear or anything like that, make sure that you guys are following the Easy Resale page. That's where I'm going to be reselling like all these pieces that I'm getting. Okay, so like I said, the breakup of this video, we're going to be going over each one of these pieces, and then we're going to go ahead and see how I did thus far on like the resale value and whatnot. Okay, so first piece that we have the Live from Utopia t-shirt. This one is definitely like, we'll go for a crazy resale. It's one of those, it's just like, if you cop this, you're in good hands, especially for only $48. Fire piece right over here. The only thing that kind of made this piece a little bit of a flop to me, it's nothing on the back, bro. It's smooth cactus jack. Ooh, you could even have like there's like it has so much potential, but the front is very, very hard. But that's just one thing I'm just kind of annoyed that it didn't do. And then they have some more action figure tees. All the action figure tees are gonna go for a lot because they actually did like a cool job on the action figure. It looks live in my opinion. Got him with the little Cuban, just like this one right over here. It's nice. They got it in different colors. I still like the white one the most, but this one goes hard, as well as this one over here. This one's cool. This is a cool color. Got him jumping. But it is very, very nice. And again, Travis Scott pieces, all affordable. Should be able to like 1, 2, 3 easy resales. For this one, since a lot of people have been talking about this one, I feel like you can maybe get away with reselling it for like 150, maybe even 200, because I've seen some high prices, bro. And something that I also need to go ahead and say is that not all of these pieces are going to go for a lot. Like a lot of people like on Grail are just listing them for crazy prices. But like I'm telling you, like some of these pieces, they're not gonna go for a lot because I don't feel like a lot of people will want it. So we have the CJ Smile t-shirt, like this one over here, in my opinion. Okay, it has a cool cactus jack over here, but at the back says that McDonald's cactus jack, TravisScott.com. Like this is not gonna, like that is a regular shirt. Like you'll be lucky if you can get like $100 or like 20% return. I feel like you can get like 120%, like sell for like 60 or 70. Now we have the Cactus Sauce t-shirts. Now I have mixed feelings about these. Like the back is live, the front, you know what I mean? I feel like these will go for a decent price, like all 3 of them. Go-to, I say go-to is the white one. Just because it's straight cool white t-shirt. A lot of people will be able to rock. Not everybody will be into these colors. I mean, it's nice. And I feel like at this rate, they may have a 3rd drop. If they do, that's just credit to them. But I don't see them going past the 3rd. If there's more than 3 drops, I will literally be like, wow, That's crazy. Yeah, and for this one, deserve a break t-shirt. Don't feel it's gonna go for anything at all. I'm not a fan of that one. So within the first 2 rows, get these 3 pieces right here. Play it safe. You can go ahead and get the sauce one. I feel like that one will go good. None of the deserve a break t-shirts I feel like are really worth anything in my opinion. What does it say? It says deserve a break today. McDonald's break, Cactus Jack break. And then they have it in various colors, especially because there's nothing on the back as well. Okay, now this one I kind of like. The ketchup with the little smiley face. This one is kind of loud to me. I just kind of like it. I don't feel like it's gonna go for a lot, but I still like. I don't know. I like it. It's a cool shirt. Like I would get it for myself. The brown color, I mean, it's straight. Nothing too major. But like I said, like with this drop so far, first 3 rows, it's just like, you know, I'm like, if you get it, you got it. You know what I mean? It's not like too crazy. Now we have the menu mono logo t-shirt. Nah. Sorry. No. Yellow's a better color, but nah. Yeah, don't get any of the menu mono unless you want it for personal. And now, you guys already know when I get to clapping, that is a piece that I caught. So this one, I feel like it's a sleeper. If you guys did not see the first drop, or if you weren't paying attention, this kind of reminds me of the Cactus Mac one that they took out really quick. This one is tough. So as we can see, it's the order here t-shirt. Let me zoom in so we can see it. Got the Cactus Jack right over there. It says please order here. This screen helps ensure order accuracy and prompt service. Cactus Jack. Now look at that back. This is tough. I feel, especially with the color, the graphics, the piece at the back, I definitely feel like this piece will go for a lot, like maybe even a 300% return plus. That's what I'm talking about. Because out of all these pieces so far, that was one that I'm just like, that's tough. Like this one is more of one I feel like will be a sleeper. Like right when you open up the page, this is the piece you're just like, yeah, this is definitely the go-to. A lot of people are gonna get the Utopia one, and it's hard. You like the action figure ones aren't as bad either, but this one is low-key that sleeper. Like you gotta make sure you hover over it to see the back. And then we have the CJ Live from Utopia. Then we have the long sleeve t-shirt. It's just, I'm not feeling it, bro. Oh shoot, yeah, I'm definitely not feeling it. Kind of disappointed with some of these pieces. Okay, now we have this, the action figure space one. I feel like anyone is a go. That long sleeve, I feel like a lot of people will like this one. A lot of people. That is definitely a good cop as well. And you'll be able to sell this one for more because it goes for 68 long sleeve, so it's all reasonable. We have the small long sleeve t-shirt. Not really feeling that one, but this one right over here is definitely a go-to. And now we got the Cactus Jack rugby polo. This one definitely has to be a personal piece, especially if you look at how long it's going to take to ship. It is a long time, especially for the price. I don't know. All right. Still got a good amount of pieces left. So we have the staff crew neck. Nothing major about this. I will leave this one alone as well. Staff. INV crew neck. You can give it, like these pieces, they can just give it to the workers in my opinion. Cactus Jack spelling. This one might be a sleeper. That might be a sleeper. That one is nice. I would like that one for personal. That yellow one, but for 104, it's just like nothing is screaming it. Like that price is higher than some of these hoodies. From Utopia, I don't really like the live from Utopia ones. It's just the back is what's getting me. Like it would have been better if they just put like Cactus Jack up all night. Yeah, I'm not feeling the hoodies. Cactus Jack. Yeah, like I'm just not. I give it props that everything is different, but what is this one? Screen printed front, back graphics with puff plus embroidered details. I'm not feeling that one either. Yeah, the hoodies I just haven't been feeling. Sweatpants, I'm kind of not with those either. I even think the resale value will go. I mean, depends. I don't really know if the resale value will go good for sweatpants. because I just don't test it because I feel like it's so risky. Like, you can just secure yourself with just the shirts or like accessories like hats. I saw some ridiculous prices going for these caps, bro. I seen people on StockX trying to lowest ask $400 or $500. Like, you gotta be out of your freaking mind, bro. Let's say on the back. It says, "We love to see you smile." Small hat. But like I said, like with this drop, it's more of just like they already got rid of a majority of the nice heavy pieces. These right over here, you can probably resell for like $30. Both of them. I've been seeing a lot of people list them at like $35. Again, like about $20 off each. That's not too bad. CJ house slippers, I would say pass on these, but at the same time, it's cool if you want to have it for the house. They look like they're that plus type, yeah, the padded house slippers. If you want it for personal, go for it. And then the last piece of the second drop is the Live from Utopia flag. Okay, so I'm just gonna break down the pieces that I just automatically think that you'll be able to make a decent amount of profit from. Of course, these little knickknacks, even if you were to sell it for 25, that's almost doubling your profits. These caps are not that hard, so I'll stay away. Sweatpants, I'll stay away. And all of these hoodies, I'll stay away. If you want to gamble with any hoodie, I would say maybe the CJ Smile or maybe the Sticker Bomb. Really don't feel like these two will go. For this row, miss. This one could be a hit. Maybe you'll be able to get 150% return. I wouldn't really take my chances with it. I would leave this one alone, leave this one alone, leave this one alone. This is definitely a grab if you want to resell that action figure space one. It kind of reminds me of the Juice World. I forgot what it was called, but it was one that he had like a very loud piece. I forgot what it was, but I know you guys know the one I'm talking about. It was very loud. This row, I'll leave these alone. The Order Here t-shirt, I feel like it's a sleeper, bro. It's very hard in my opinion. I kind of like the ketchup ones, but those ones are hit or miss. Again, stay away from the Deserve a Break t-shirts. Those are not it. And then for these two, I wouldn't go for the CJ Smile t-shirt. Live from Utopia is literally like #1, and then these are safe. So if we're going off of ranking, #1, Live from Utopia t-shirt, 2, action figure space long sleeve, 3, I'm gonna go with my sleeper Order Here t-shirt, and then I'll get the 4 Cactus Jack Sauce t-shirt in white, and then 5 and 6. Those are like the only pieces I would really go for. If I can only get 3, definitely be those top 3 for reselling purposes. And now that we got that out the way, we're gonna take a look at the pieces that I went ahead and I went for. Okay, so this piece over here, Mcdonald, they're selling it for $110. That's one person. The pieces that I ordered from the last drop, it's right over here. The person reduced it from $200 to $160, trying to see if they can secure an early sale. So if you guys do not know, the good thing about Grailed is that you can accept a pre-order, but the money will be pending. So for me, I'm just like, I want to make it fair to everyone, so I'm not going to list items till 1, I get them, and 2, I'm able to post it on my IG and maybe even promote it in video, just so everyone has like a good chance of being able to get the item. I feel like that's the most fair way. Okay, let me see if I can find the last piece that I went for. No, I didn't go for that one. I went for... Yes, and then I went for this piece right over here. Someone's listening at about $180. And then this piece I went and I caught for myself. I'm not gonna go ahead and sell it. It's too fire. Like, I just really want that piece. And now when we go over the StockX, we have various prices. So for the white version of the shirt that I went and got, lowest ask, you got $300 right over there. You have the lowest ask over here for $100. That's the piece that I bought. You have the one over here for $144. So the prices are varying, but I'm pretty sure that you guys can get like a good look at where people are trying to resell some of these pieces. Like for me, I'm just like flop. Like not all of these prices are actually going to stay, and this is just the asking price. This is not how much people are buying it for. Right, so that's to give you guys kind of like a good idea of like how you should kind of play this drop. Yes, it's good that the pieces are really only going to stay up for a few days. So if you want to go ahead and buy it and test your luck with reselling, go ahead and buy a few pieces. The prices I feel like are pretty affordable for the pieces that cost $48 if you live in the US. It should end up being like about like $57.30 with shipping for the pieces that are listed at $48, and for the ones at $58, it's going to be about $67. So in my opinion, it's a really good price point. It's looking like it's going to be an easy way to just double your profits, or just double the money that you originally want to go ahead and put in. But anyways, guys, I want to know how you guys feel about like this job. In my opinion, it was kind of weak compared to the first one, but they still had those few sleepers. The accessories were a whole lot weaker than the first drop. And also, let me know if you plan on copying or reselling. Okay, so if you're copying, let me know, and if you're reselling, let me know. But anyways, guys, it's Chris Lee, aka CEasy, and I'm out. Whoa, I'm not out yet. Make sure you guys smash that like button. We need 100 likes on this video again. And if you're new to the channel, make sure you guys go ahead and subscribe. We're on the road to 10,000 subscribers. And you guys have just been smashing like the videos and the numbers and stuff. Like, the channel is about to surpass over 200,000 views. Like, that's crazy, bro. So just thank you guys, each and every single one of you guys who watched the video, or like leave a nice comment, or just, you know, supporting what it is I'm doing on this channel. So now, my name's Chris Lee, aka CEasy, and I'm out.